Namaste. I'm Manami Moyir Gamlin from class 3 in New Delhi, and today for the storytelling competition I am reading a Adi folk tale from the book Doing. And the tale I am telling you today is about how the tiger got its stripes and how the python lost its poison. And here it is. A certain view means spirit had two snake sons, Bunja and Bidak, and two other sons, a tiger and the bear. When they grew up, the bear was sent by the father to get vegetables and roots from the forest. The bear got so much to eat there that he began to love the forest life and never came back home. Then the view sent his second son Tiger to get him some meat, but the tiger became lazy and went to the village of Tani and stole a mitten from Abin Nebo, the forefather of men. And the next day he went again and stole a pig. But on the third day, Abin Nebo was waiting for him and gave him a good beating with the hot tongs from his hurt and spat at him, which made round blobs all over him. The thorns made dark stripes all over his body, and thus the tiger got marked forever. In shame, the tiger went back to the forest to live and hunt there, and never returned back. When snakes heard that Tani had dared to beat their brother, they were very angry and went to Nebo's village to attack the people there. But Nebo caught them and took them to the village of the Views, where he held a meeting to decide what shall be done. The Views said, "Take out their fangs as punishment and take their beaks as fine." Nebo agreed, and after taking their beaks and threw away their fangs of the snakes, and thus from these poisonous fangs all kinds of poisonous snakes were born. Bunja and Bidak have ever since been without poison and ran away wherever they see a man. But the other snakes still attack human beings in revenge of their lost beaks. Thank you.